I hate gaming earbuds, and I've tested a lot of them. They always either sound great but hurt my ears, feel comfortable but won't stay in place, or they just suck completely, which ultimately just makes me go back to my headset. Well, I'm hoping these SteelSeries Tusk can finally change that. Before I unbox them, I just have to talk about some of the key features that has me excited. First, they have a boom mic. Now, these aren't the first earbuds I've tested with the boom mic, but unlike the BattleBuds, I'm hoping the Tusk actually sound good. And they're designed to wrap around your ears like most IEMs. This type of design can make a massive difference in comfort. The packaging they kept pretty minimal, which I'm totally okay with. This is actually my first SteelSeries product, so I don't know if this is pretty common for the packaging or not, but I like it. Up front, you get to see the detail of the earbuds right off the bat. They get this nice chrome finish right here, which is going to be a fingerprint magnet, but it's pretty small, so that can be okay. Let's see if we can get this out of the box here. There we go. Very small, very flexible though. It looks pretty good. And it looks very clean. Now let's see if we can get these earbuds out of here. How do these come out? Let's just pull everything out all at once. Oh, okay. So not so minimal once you actually get the box open on their packaging, but that can be okay. Velcro tie for the cable, which is always nice. Then here's the earbuds themselves, a rubber coated cable. Then with a little inline mic dongle piece in the middle right here with a slide to mute, I'm assuming. Not sure what that button is going to be for. We'll try to find out here in a second. Let's see what else we got in this box. We got extra ear tips, and then the cloth bag with something else in it. Never mind, just a cinch. Let's go ahead and put the earbuds on without the mic, just to see how they feel. Nice, so clearly labeled for left and right, which is great. Ooh, this cable really likes to tangle up though already. Oh, nice. So this actually has some tension so you can lock it into place. So you can actually shape it around your ears. You could probably even get it to where you don't even have to do them over your ears if you didn't want to, which is kind of cool. I'll definitely have to reshape them a bit to get them to go over my ears. Ah, there we go. That's right. That's a lot better. Yeah, that's much better right there. Wow. They're pretty comfortable. Like, honestly, they are very comfortable. They are really good seal on my ears, especially with them being able to wrap behind the back of my ears. They're feeling like they're staying in place. They're not trying to wiggle out. See how Lefty feels with the boom mic attached. So looks like it doesn't have any specific orientation. Oh, I will say that's a pretty loose fit for that mic to go on there, but that can be okay. It almost looks like the headset I had to wear when I worked for this telemarketing company, so pretty interesting. Not bad. I'm already starting to feel a little discomfort in my ear. Talk about the build here. Build quality, it's very cheap feeling. Like, I mean, it is very cheap plastic. They didn't really do the edging very well, so there's kind of some sharp edges around the plastic right there, around the housings. The rubber coating feels really good, and I kind of like the look of the chrome right there, but just the overall build is pretty cheap feeling though. That wasn't much for this unboxing. Let's see how it actually performs in game. We're gonna test them out with a little bit of Overwatch. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch between just my regular mic and the headset mic as this goes on, so we can get a good idea of what this headset mic actually sounds like, if it's even good. Yeah, we got crushed a little bit right there. That kind of hurt a tad. As far as sound goes, it's not too bad. It isn't getting a great seal in my ear. It's much lighter on bass than a lot of gaming earbuds I've had. I'm already starting to feel the discomfort in this left ear still. Once again, I think it's because of the freaking hard edges around the plastic, because they didn't smooth that out very well. As far as wearing them for long term, I don't know if I could do it, because this left one is starting to get a little sore already. I've only had them in for a couple of minutes. Audio-wise, though, it does sound pretty good, and I really like the fact that they wrap around behind your ears, so it takes a lot of weight off of them, and they don't want to wiggle out of place. They really do stay in place. They're not even losing the seal in my ear, which is nice. I know for most people, like if you're playing on PC, you don't really use a headset mic. Most people just have an external mic like this. But most people on consoles still use headset mics, so I know that's a very important feature to a lot of people. I'm just going to be honest, the audio is a little dry. I'm not having any issues hearing footsteps, which is great. Gun sounds and everything like that seem good. I mean, they all seem pretty accurate. I would definitely say they're not the best sounding earbuds I've had. I'd probably put them about middle ground right there. Comment down below what you think the mic sounds like. I will find out once I'm editing this video if it's actually good or not. So the mic is honestly incredible. Now granted, it was ran through my Go XLR, so the audio was tweaked a little bit on it. But even still, that's possibly the best sounding headset mic I've tried yet. Now for total value, these things cost 40 bucks. Overall, the sound is just okay, the build is very cheap, and they lose their comfort very fast over time. As always, I will have a full review up in a few weeks, and make sure you check the links down below if you want to see some other gaming earbuds that I do highly recommend. Love you guys, thanks for watching, and peace!